This is Corinna Smith-Gatcke with the Mortgage Advisors in Brockville, Ontario. One of the major issues that Canadians face today is not really understanding their prepayment penalty calculations. One of the biggest mysteries, I guess, in this business is that we have no idea what they're going to be. And that is because every single company in this business, maybe a couple that have very similar calculations, they are all different. There is no legislation in Canada right now whereby each lending institution has to calculate their penalties the same way. Some institutions do it from posted rate to posted rate. Some do it from posted to discounted, meaning the best discounted rate, which would obviously create a bigger spread, as we call it in the business. What does that translate into? Larger penalties for clients. Did you know that you could get the same rate and the same terms with one lender and have a 50% difference in a penalty just because of the way that they calculate their penalties? It is one of the biggest awful things for people to find out at the 11th hour when they're trying to sell their home because they're in a situation where they either need to leave, whether it's a job loss, a spouse has passed away, or perhaps there's been a divorce and they need to sell and they have to break the mortgage. We're seeing penalties on a $200,000 mortgage. Perhaps you have a 3.19 interest rate currently right now, but our discounted rates are at 2.99. That $200,000 mortgage could mean a $6,000 penalty with one lender, an $8,000 penalty with another, and a $3,000 penalty with a third lender. You need to understand how these penalty calculations work. If people aren't explaining them to you, you need to ask the question and you need to have a better answer. We do that here at the Mortgage Advisors. We make sure people understand that if they take mortgage A with an institutional lender versus a non-institutionalized mortgage corporation, that there is a difference there. And the reason we are sending them to a non-traditional bank is to help protect them in the future. So if you're looking for this sort of advice or you don't know, please ask us, the Mortgage Advisors here in Brockville. I'm Corinna Smith-Gatcke. You can find us at www.brockvillemortgages.com.